Welcome to discover the beauty, colorful butterfly exploration, where we delve into the enchanting world of these majestic creatures. Each butterfly is a masterpiece of nature, boasting hues that range from fiery oranges to serene blues. Their elegant dance through the air is a sight to behold, a symphony of nature's artistry. Join us as we immerse ourselves in this mesmerizing display of colors, a testament to the beauty that surrounds us in the natural world. Experience the magic of colorful butterflies with us. Subscribe Wonderworld YouTube channel for more awe-inspiring journeys into nature's wonders.